Welcome to NUUO Titan NVR training. You are currently in the Install Wizard section. During this video, you will see what you receive with your Titan NVR, followed by installation instructions. In the Titan NVR box, you will see the Titan server, power cable, the hard drive bay keys, the user manual, and the toolkit CD with the required software. After inserting the toolkit CD into your PC or your Mac, the installation wizard will guide you through the installation of Titan NVR. There are two modes to choose from, the Express mode and the Advanced mode. On this video, we will use the Advanced mode for more detailed configuration, so check the Advanced mode and then click on Next. Select the Titan NVR you want to configure based on its MAC number, and then click on Next. Afterwards, the login window will pop up. The default username and password are both admin. For the network settings, you can either obtain the assigned IP automatically or you can configure it manually. Here we choose the second option. Fill out the required information. After finishing, click on Next. Consequently, another window will pop up to inform you that the changes of network settings are processing. Note that some of the following parts are optional, since you can do those settings from the server itself. This is the license management window. If you have purchased additional licenses, you can input the serial number for online activation. For camera settings, you have two methods. For automatic camera search, just click the search button. You can also manually install and adjust your camera settings. The next following screens let you adjust the date and time settings, the auto upgrade, the RAID management, which are all optional according to our preferences. After finishing, just click on Finish. Then a window will inform you about the connection process. When the connection is done, you can read Completed, then click OK. After that, the web browser page will automatically open. As you can see in the address bar, the IP address is the address we entered earlier. We can choose the language and log in to Titan NVR by entering the username and the password. Then we can start the server settings of Titan NVR. For further information on Titan NVR Install Wizard, please visit the NUUO website at www.nuuo.com.